revise whatever we have discussed yesterday. What is the divisibility rule of 2? If your number is having in its unit place 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8, then that number is divisible by 2. Otherwise, it is not divisible by 2. Yesterday we have discussed this. Now coming to divisibility rule of 3. If the sum of the digits is a multiple of 3, then only it is divisible by 3. Otherwise, it is not divisible by 3. So yesterday these many things. And coming to 6. If a number is divisible by both 2 and 3, then only it is divisible by 6. Otherwise, it is 6 or 8 in its unit place, then that number is divisible by 2. So yesterday we have done several problems on this. Today also we will continue. First, let me explain what are the definitions of divisibility rules of 2. Next, 3. If the sum of the digits of a given number is a multiple of 3, then only that is divisible by 3. Otherwise, it is not divisible by 3. And coming to 6, if a number is divisible by both 2 and 3, then only it is divisible by 6. Otherwise, it is not divisible by 6. And 5. If a number is having 0 or 5 in its unit place, then only it is divisible by 5. Otherwise, it is not divisible by 5. And for 10, if the number is having 0 in its unit place, then only it is divisible by 10. And coming to the last, 9. Sum of the digits is a multiple of 9, then only that is divisible by 9. Otherwise, it is not divisible by 9. And remember, all those numbers which are divisible by 9, compulsory they are divisible by 3. Okay? And the numbers which are divisible by 10, compulsory divisible by 5 as well as 2 also. Okay? Now coming to the next. Now go through with the problems. We will discuss now. Check whether the following numbers are divisible by. Check whether the following numbers are divisible by 3, divisible by 2, 3 and 6 are not. We will check. Okay. Now my first question is for 45,986, and my second question is 36,129, and my third question is 7,874. So actually this question is given for only check the rule for 3, but I am using 2, 3, 6. With that we will revise whatever we are discussed yesterday. So now observe what is the divisibility rule of 2. If the number is having in its unit place 0, 2, 4 or 6 or 8, then that is divisible by 2. So here 6 we have. That's why it is divisible by 2. Okay. My first question answer is for 45,986. Since 6 is in unit place, so it is divisible by 2. No need to write the reason, but I am writing for your understanding purpose. It in the sense 45,986 is divisible by 2. Okay. And second condition, 3. What is the divisibility rule of 3? Sum of the digits is a multiple of 3. So find out the sum of the given digits. Sum of the given digits is equal to 4 plus 5 plus 9 plus 8 plus 6. Okay. Now, how much what will be the answer for this? 4 plus 5, 9. 9 plus 9, 18. 18 plus 8, 26. 26 plus 6, 32. Okay. Are we getting 32 in 3 tables? Is that divisible by 3? No. Therefore, 45,986 is not divisible by 3. Not divisible by 3. So just what is the divisibility rule of 6? If the number is divisible by both 2 and 3, then only it is divisible by 6. See, observe here, this number is divisible by 2, but not divisible by 3. Therefore, it is not divisible by 6. It is not divisible by 6. Because it is not divisible by 3. That's why it is not divisible by 6. Okay. Now coming to the second question. 36,129. So what is the unit digit? 9. So 9 is in its unit place. Okay. Unit place. So is the number divisible by 2? 36,129 is not divisible by 2 because 9 we have in the unit place. If we have 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, then only it is divisible by 2. But here 9 we have, so it is not divisible by 2. And what is the sum of the digits? Find out. 3 plus 6 plus 1 plus 2 plus 9. 3 plus 6, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 2, 12. 12 plus 9, 21. So 21 is a multiple of 3, means 3 sevens are 21. So 36,129 is divisible by 3. But it is not divisible by 6 because it is not divisible by 2. That's why it is not divisible by 6. Okay. If a number having 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 in its unit place, then only that is divisible by 2. Otherwise, it is not divisible by 2. In this number, in unit place 9 we have, so it is not divisible by 2. And sum of the digits while we are checking, we got a sum 21. So 21 we will get in 3 tables. That's why that number is divisible by 3. So because it is not divisible by 2, only it is divisible by 3. So it is not divisible by 6 also. What is the divisibility rule of 6? It must be divisible by 2 and 3. In first question, that is divisible by 2 but not divisible by 3. That's why it is not divisible by 6. In this case, it is not divisible by 2, divisible by 3, but not divisible by 6. Now coming to the third question. $7,874. So which number we have in the unit place? 4. So 4 is in unit place. So 7,874 is divisible by 2. And coming to the second, sum of the digits. 7 plus 8 plus 7 plus 4 is equal to 7 plus 7, 14. Okay, 14 plus 4, 18. 18 plus 8, 26. 7 plus 8, 15. 15 plus 7, 22. 22 plus 4, 26. Are we getting 26 in 3 table? No. Therefore, 7,874 is not divisible by 3. And also not divisible by 6 also. Okay. So like that we need to decide whether those numbers are divisible by 2 or 3 or 6. And now coming to the another type of question. Is 7,224 divisible by 6? Divisible by 6? Why? Okay. Now my solution is divisible by 6 they are asking. What is the divisibility rule of 6? If the number is divisible by 2 and 3, then it is divisible by 6. That means we need to check whether it is divisible by 2 and 3 and then only we can decide whether it is divisible by 6 or not. So first of all, check 7,224 because 4 is there in its unit place, so it is divisible by 2. Okay. And second condition, sum of the digits. 7 plus 2 plus 2 plus 4 is equal to 7 plus 2, 9, 9 plus 2, 11, 11 plus 4, 15. 15 are we getting in 3 table? 3 5 are 15. So 7224 is divisible by 3. Therefore, because it is divisible by 2 and 3, so it is also divisible by 6. So 7224 is divisible by 6. Why they are asking? Because it is divisible by both 2 and 3. That's why it is divisible by 6. Okay, I hope you understood well now. So whenever 6 they are asking, compulsory we need to check the divisibility rule of 2 and divisibility rule of 3. If it is divisible by both of the number, then only that is divisible by 6. Otherwise, it is not divisible by 6. Now coming to the another question. Give 2 examples of 4-digit numbers. Give 2 examples of 4-digit numbers. Four-digit numbers which are divisible by 6. Which are divisible by 6. So we need to give the example for the 4-digit numbers which are divisible by 2 and 3 also. So I am taking my 4-digit, one of the 4-digit number 1002. Take, because 2 is there in its unit place, it is divisible by 2. Okay, and sum of the digits 1 plus 2, 3. 3 is divisible by 3. That means it is, this number is divisible by 2 and 3 also. So that's why it is divisible by 6. And they are asking 4-digit numbers. So here 4-digit numbers. Okay. So my one of the example is this one. So like that only you have to think any of the numbers. Take any numbers. Now what I am telling, observe here. So 1002 is divisible by 2. Because it is having 2 in its unit place. And next condition, sum of the digits is equal to 1 plus 0 plus 0 plus 2. That is nothing but 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 0, 0, 3 only. So that is 3. Therefore, 1002 is divisible by 3. Because it is divisible by 2 and 3, so 1002 is divisible by 6. So this is my first example. Like that, try for the second example. 2 examples they are asking. So these are my examples. You try your another example. So suppose I am taking 1 plus 2 plus 3. 6. 6 plus 6 plus 3 I will get 9. So 6 plus 1 plus 6 plus 1, 7, 7 plus 2, 9. Otherwise, 9 plus 4, 13, 9 plus 5. 3 plus 3, 6, sorry, 4 digits only we have to check. Okay, 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 2, 8 we will get. I am taking 2, 4, 2 plus 4, 6. 6 plus 9, 15 I'll get, but 15, 9 we will not get in 2 tables. 6 plus 1, 7, 7 plus 8, 15. Okay. Now observe this. What I am doing, observe. In one place I have to get a 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, and they are telling that compulsory that must be a 4-digit number. Okay. So 8 is there, so it is divisible by 2. Now coming for 3. 2 plus 1, 6, 6 plus 1, 7, 7 plus 8, 15. 15 we will get in 3 tables. That means if this number is also divisible by 3. So because it is divisible by 2 and 3, so it is also divisible by 6. So place the digits, only 4 digits place, and in unit place compulsory you must get 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. So in my first example, I took 2 as the unit digit. In my second example, I took 8 as the unit digit. So you can take any of the digits, and you need to form the number such that sum must be divisible by 3. Then only you will get the number is divisible by 2 and 3. Okay. So because 8 is there in the unit place, so 2, 4, 1, 8 is divisible by 2. Because 8 is there in its unit place, and sum of the digits, that is equal to 2 plus 4, 6, 6 plus 1, 7, 7 plus 8 is equal to 15. So it is divisible by 3. Complete number is divisible by 3. Therefore, 2, 4, 1, 8 is divisible by 2 and 3. That's why it is also divisible by 6. Okay. 2 examples were said. So I have taken these 2 examples. You try to write a few more examples. Okay. Now coming to the next question. Test whether 9846 is divisible by 9. Is divisible by 9. So 9 divisibility rule asking. What is the rule of 9? What is the divisibility rule of 9? If the sum of the digits is equal to multiple of 9, then only that is divisible by 9. Otherwise, it is not divisible by 9. So what is the given number? 9846. What is the sum of the digits? 9 plus 8 plus 4 plus 6. Okay, which is equal to 9 plus 8, 17. 17 plus 4, 21. 21 plus 6, 27. Okay, 27 is multiple of 9 only. Therefore, 9846 is divisible by 9. That's all. Okay, same as divisibility rule of 3, but here we need to check whether it will come in 9 table or not. There we have checked whether it is come in 3 table or not. Okay, now coming to the next question. Without actual division, find whether 8998 794 is divisible by 9 or not. Is divisible by 9. So observe the question. Without actual division means we need to use divisibility rule. So which number we are checking whether it is divisible by 9 or not? Means divisibility rule of 9 only again. So observe the question. What is the divisibility rule of 9? If the sum of the digits is equal to multiple of 9, then only it is divisible by 9. Otherwise, it is not divisible by 9. So what is the sum of the given digits? 8 plus 9 plus 9 plus 8 plus 7 plus 9 plus 4. Totally 7 digits are there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Which is equal to, what is its sum? Find out. 8 plus 9, 17. 17 plus 9, 26. 26 plus 8, 34. 34 plus 7, 41. 41 plus 9, 50. 50 plus 4, 54. Okay. Is 54 are we getting in 9 table? As 9 6 are 54. Therefore, 54 is a multiple of 9. So, complete number, that is 89,98,794 is divisible by 9. So simple, whether the sum is divisible by 9 or not, 54 is divisible by 9. That's why 89,98,794 is divisible by 9. Now coming to the next question. Check whether 786 is divisible by both 3 and 9 or not. Okay, observe is 786. For both we have to check sum only. Sum of the digits is equal to 7 plus 8 plus 6. 7 plus 8, 15. 15 plus 6, 21. Okay, so because 21 is a multiple of 3, so 786 is divisible by 3. But 21 is not a multiple of 9. So in 9 table we will not get 21. Therefore, 786 is not divisible by 9. So just remember, whatever numbers are divisible by 9, compulsory they are divisible by 3. But the numbers which are divisible by 3, in some cases they will divisible by 9 and in some other cases they will not divisible by 9. So this is one of the examples which is divisible by 3 and not divisible by 9. Okay. Now coming to the next question. Go through with the exercise problems. So in that exercise problems also again we are going to check whether the given numbers are divisible by 2, 3, 6, 5, 9, 10. Only these 6 divisibility rules are there in the first exercise. So my first question is exercise 3.1. So here I'll explain some of the questions and remaining questions you only write. First question, which of the following numbers are divisible by 2, by 3 and by 6 and by 6. Okay, my first question is, total 8 questions are given. My first question is 321729 and second question is 197232 and third question is 972132 and fourth question is 1790184 and fifth one 312792. Sixth question 800552 and seventh question 4335 and eighth question 726352. So these are the different questions. We need to check whether all these numbers are divisible by 2, 3 and 6. So what I am doing, I am drawing one table for this. Okay. In first, I am writing the number and whether it is divisible by 2 and divisible by 3 divisible by 6 or not, I am checking. My first question is 321,729, that is 3,21,729. Okay, in single step we will do the answer. Because in units place 9 is there, is that divisible by 2? No. So 9 is in its units place, ones place. So not divisible by 2. Otherwise, just write it is not divisible by 2. No, it is not divisible by 2. Divisible by 3. Sum of the digits check. 3 plus 2 plus 1 plus 7 plus 2 plus 9. How much I will get? Okay. Sum of the digits is equal to 3 plus 2 plus 1 plus 7 plus 2 plus 9. How much I will get? 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 1, 6, 6 plus 7, 13, 13 plus 2, 15, 15 plus 9, 24. So 24 is a multiple of 3. Therefore, it is divisible by 3. Yes. Divisible by 6 because it is not divisible by 2. So it is not divisible by 6. Now coming to the second question. 197,232. Because 2 is there is divisible by 2. And what is the sum of the digits observed? 1 plus 9 plus 7 plus 2 plus 3 plus 2 is equal to 10. 10 plus 7, 17 plus 2, 19 plus 3, 22 plus 2, 24. Yes, because 24 is multiple of 3, so it is divisible by 3. Because it is divisible by 2 and 3, so it is divisible by 6 also. And coming to the third question. 972,132. In all these numbers observe, just digits are interchanged. All the numbers are having same digits. That's why sum you got 24. Now for third question also you will get the sum 24 only. Observe. So because 2 is there, so it is divisible by 2. And sum of the digits is equal to 9 plus 7, 16. 16 plus 2, 18. 18 plus 1, 19. 19 plus 3, 22 plus 2, which is equal to 24. So because we got 24, it is also divisible by 3. So the number is divisible by 2 and 3. That's why it is divisible by 6 also. Like that only do for the next fourth problem. 1790184. So because 4 we have in the units place, so it is divisible by 2. And what is the sum of the digits? Observe. 1 plus 7, 8. 8 plus 9, 17. 17 plus 0, 17. 17 plus 1, 18. 18 plus 8, 26. 26 plus 4, 30. Sum of the digits is equal to 30. 30 we will get in 3 tables. So it is divisible by 3. Because it is divisible by 2 and 3, it is also divisible by 6. Now coming to the fifth question. 312,792. Again same digits. Because 2 is there, so it is divisible by 2 and sum 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 7, 13. 13 plus 9, 21. 312,729. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 7, 13. 13 plus 9, 22. 22 plus 2 is equal to 24. So sum of the digits I got 24. So it is also divisible by 3. So because it is divisible by 2 and 3, it is also divisible by 6. Now, sixth example. 800,552. Because 2 is there in the units place, it is divisible by 2. And what is the sum of the digits? 8 plus 2, 10. 10, 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 10, 20. Otherwise, 8 plus 5, 13. 13 plus 5, 18. 18 plus 2, 20. Sum we got 20. Are we getting 20 in 3 tables? No. So it is not divisible by 3. Because it is not divisible by 3, it is also not divisible by 6. And seventh one. 4, 3, 3, 5. 5 is there in its units place, so it is not divisible by 2. Okay, because it is not divisible by 2, it is also not divisible by 6. And what is the sum of the digits? 4 plus 3 plus 3 plus 5. 4 plus 3, 7 plus 3, 10, 10 plus 5, 15. So 15 is multiple of 3, so it is divisible by 3. It is not divisible by 2, it is divisible by 3. Because it is not divisible by 2, so it is also not divisible by 6. And last example observe. So because it is divisible, last digit 2, it is divisible by 2. And what is the sum of the digits? 7 plus 2 is equal to 9. 9 plus 6, 15. 15 plus 3, 18. 18 plus 5, 23. 23 plus 2, 25. 25 is not a multiple of 3. So it is not divisible by 3. Even though it is divisible by 2, but not divisible by 3, so it is also not divisible by 6. So now I hope you understood very well about the divisibility rules of 2, 3 and 6. Now coming to second question. Determine which of the following numbers are divisible by 5? Which of the following numbers are divisible by 5 and by 10? Okay. And also check whether the numbers that are divisible by 10, whether the numbers that are divisible by 10 are also divisible by 2 and 5. Are also divisible by 2 and 5. Okay. For this, what are the given numbers? First of all, list 25, 125, and 250. Okay, 250, 1,250, and 10,205, 70,985, 45,880. Okay. Now just observe what is the divisibility rule of 5. If the number is having 0 or 5 in its units place, then that number is divisible by 5. Observe the given numbers. 25 is having 5, so it is divisible by 5. Here also 5 is there, so it is divisible by 5. 0, it is divisible by 5. 0, divisible by 5. 5 divisible by 5. 5 divisible by 5. 0 divisible by 5. Means in all the given numbers, the unit digit is 0 or 5. 5 or 0. In each of the numbers, we are getting 0 or 5. So all the numbers are divisible by 5. So what is my answer? First statement, every number has 0 or 5 in its unit place. Therefore, all the numbers are divisible by 5. Now observe the next, whether which of the numbers are divisible by 10 you need to select. So my second question, 5 over 5, every number is divisible by 5. Now coming to the 10. What is the divisibility rule of 10? If the last digit, that is unit digit, is 0, then only it is divisible by 10. Otherwise, it is not divisible by 10. So observe here in 25, 5 we have got. So it is not divisible by 10. So here 250, 0 is there. It is divisible by 10. It is divisible by 10. And here 5 we have. So it is not divisible by 10. Here 5 is there, not divisible by 10. Here 0. So it is divisible by 10. Therefore, 250, comma 1250, comma 45,880 are having 0 in their units place. So in their units place. So therefore, 250, 1250, 45,880 are divisible by 10. Remaining are not divisible by 10. So now what is the still question is it? Check whether the numbers that are divisible by 10 are also divisible by 2 and 5. Observe, what is the divisibility rule of 2? If the number is having 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, then only it is divisible by 2. So observe all these numbers. 0 we have in those 3 numbers only. Remaining all numbers are having 5, 5. So those are not divisible by 2. So the numbers 250, 1250, 45,880 are having 0 in its unit place, in their unit place. So they are divisible by 2. Coming to 5. So the numbers which are having 0 or 5, those are divisible by 5. So these numbers are having 0, that's why they are divisible by 2 as well as 5 also. So the numbers which are divisible by both 2 and 5, then they are also divisible by 10. That is the reason. That's why they are divisible by 2 and 5. So 0 is there in all the above numbers. In the above numbers. Is there in their unit place, sorry. So 250, 1250, 45,880 are divisible by 2 and 5 because they have 0 in their unit place. So that's why the numbers which are divisible by 10, they are compulsory divisible by 2 and 5. Otherwise, the numbers which are divisible by both 2 and 5, then they are divisible by 10. So observe, in this question, they are asking the divisibility rule for 5 and 10. So we know the divisibility rule of 5. If the number is having 0 or 5 in their unit place, that number is divisible by 5. So in all these numbers, either the number having 5 or 0. That means every number is divisible by 5. Coming to 10. The numbers which are having zeros in their unit place, then only that is divisible by 10. Otherwise, it is not divisible by 10. So among the given numbers, 250, 1250 and 45,880 are having 0 in their unit place. That's why those numbers are divisible by 10. And again, they are given, check whether the numbers that are divisible by 10 are also divisible by 2 and 5. Yes, because 0 is there, they are divisible by both 2 and 5. That's why they are divisible by 10. Okay. Now coming to the next, third question. So today I'll finish at least 5 problems. After that, remaining questions in the tomorrow's class we'll discuss. So now my third question is, fill the table. Number, sum of the digits in the number and divisibility by 3 and by 9. Okay, like first question, but here we are using the divisibility rule for 3 and 9. So already we know 3 and 9 are having the same divisibility rule. Only depending on the result, we need to decide whether those are divisible by 3 or not. So my first question 72, and next 197, next 4689, 79875, 988, 974. So observe this. Sum of the digits in the number, that is 7 plus 2 is equal to 9 we got. 9 we will get in 3 table as well as 9 table also. 3 3s are 9, 9 1s are 9. So it is divisible by both 3 and 9. Now coming to this number, sum of the digits 1 plus 9 plus 7. 1 plus 9 10, 10 plus 7 17. 17 is a prime number, so it is not divisible by 3 as well as not divisible by 9 also. Okay, coming to sum of these digits, 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus 9. 4 plus 6, 10, 10 plus 8, 18, 18 plus 9, 18 plus 9, 27. So 27 will get in 3 table as well as 9 table. Okay, means the number is divisible by both 3 and 9. Now 7 plus 9 plus 8 plus 7 plus 5 is equal to 7 plus 9 16, 16 plus 8 24, 24 plus 7 31, 31 plus 5 is equal to 36. So 36 is, we will get 12 3s are 36. So it is a multiple of 3, it is divisible by 3. And 36, 9 4s are 36. So it is divisible by both of the numbers. Coming to last number, 9 plus 8 plus 8 plus 9 plus 7 plus 4 is equal to 9 plus 8, 17, 17 plus 8, 25, 25 plus 9, 34, 34 plus 7, 41, 41 plus 4, 45. So 45 is divisible by 3, 15 3s are 45. So next, 9 5s are 45. Okay, I hope you understood now. So the numbers which are divisible by 3 and 9, if the sum is a multiple of 3, then that is divisible by 3. The sum is multiple of 9, that is divisible by 9. So the numbers which are divisible by 9, compulsory they are divisible by 3. But the numbers which are divisible by 3, some cases they are not divisible by 9. Remember this. So now next question. Make 3 different 3-digit numbers using 3-digit numbers using 198. Okay, where each digit can be used only once. Where each digit can be used only once. Check which of these numbers is divisible by 9. Check which of these numbers is divisible by 9. Okay, observe the question once again. Make 3 different 3-digit numbers using 1, 9 and 8. So the given digits are 1, 9 and 8. So now we need to form three different numbers using those three digits, and only once we need to use those digits. Check which of these numbers is divisible by 9. So after getting those three numbers which are divisible by 9, we need to check what is the divisibility rule of 9. Sum of the digits we need to check. Yes or no? So first of all, form the three different numbers using these three digits. So the three different numbers are, they are asking three numbers. My first number is 198. Okay, write in any order, but don't repeat the digits, that's all. And 981 and 189. Like this I have written three numbers. Now check whether these numbers are divisible by 9 or not. So sum of the digits is equal to 1 plus 9 plus 8. In all the numbers, the sum is same because just the digits are interchanged. Digits are order changed, that's all. Sum will not change. Observe. 1 plus 9, 10, 10 plus 8, 18. 9 plus 8, 17 plus 1, 18. 1 plus 8, 9, 9 plus 9 is 18. So in all these cases, sum is equal to 18. 18 is multiple of 9. So therefore, all the numbers are divisible by 9. Okay. So even though whatever digits they are telling, we have to use only one, and we need to form different numbers using those digits only. That means we need to change the places of 1, 9, and 8. Then we will get new numbers. 198, 981, 189. In all these three numbers, we have the digit 198 only. So that sum will not change. Whatever order is there, sum will not change. So sum is equal to 18 we got. 18 is multiple of 9. So all the numbers which are formed with 198, those are divisible by 9. Okay. Now coming to the next question. So fifth question. This one question I'll explain today, and tomorrow we'll start with the sixth problem. So observe this fifth question. Which numbers among 2, 3, 5, 6, 9 divides 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 exactly? This is my first question. And second question, write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in reverse order and check which numbers divide it exactly, and check now which number divides it exactly. Okay, my first question answer is, which numbers among 2, 3, 5, 6, 9 divides 1, 2, 3, 5? So the number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Divisibility rule of 2. Because 5 is there, it is not divisible by 2. 3. Sum of the digits, how much we will get? Sum is equal to 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. So which is equal to 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 4, 10, 10 plus 5, 15. 15 is a multiple of 3, so it is divisible by 3. Coming to 5, because 5 is there in the units place, it is divisible by 5. 6, it is not divisible by 2, so it is not divisible by 6. 9, sum of the digits 15 we got, so it is not divisible by 9 also. So it is divisible by only 3 and 5. So this is first question. Coming to the second question, reverse the number. What we will get? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So because of 1, it is not divisible by 2. And sum is same, 15 we will get, so it is divisible by 3. And for 6, because it is not divisible by 2, it is not divisible by 6. 5 also it is not divisible now. And 9, sum is 15, so it is not divisible by 9 also. So it is divisible by only 3. 3 only. Because sum is equal to 50. Okay. So remaining questions we will discuss in tomorrow's class.